Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a topic that's on everyone's mind: how to actually make AI work for you, especially if you're just starting out. I see so many beginners getting completely overwhelmed. You open up your browser, you see dozens of flashy new AI tools, each promising to be the next big thing. You've got tabs open for Jasper, Midjourney, Runway, Synthesia. The list goes on. You try to juggle them all, hoping to piece together a masterpiece, but instead you just end up with a headache, a half-finished project, and a feeling that you're just not cut out for this. It's a classic case of information overload, and it's the number one reason people give up on AI before they even see its true potential. They fail not because the tools are bad, but because they lack a clear, simple system to connect them. But what if I told you there's a much smarter way to do this? A way that doesn't require you to be a tech genius or have a dozen subscriptions. Today, I'm going to pull back the curtain on the exact, streamlined workflow that has proven to be a game changer for beginners in 2026. This isn't about using the most tools, it's about using the right tools in the right order. We're going to build a content creation engine that practically runs itself. It's a simple, repeatable system that will take you from confused beginner to confident creator. Forget the chaos. It's time for clarity. Let's get into the step-by-step process. This is the three-part workflow that I recommend to every single person starting with AI content. First, everything begins with the script. Your foundation is ChatGPT. This is your personal brainstormer, your scriptwriter, and your idea generator all in one. You can ask it to come up with 10 viral video ideas about a topic you love. Once you pick one, you can say, "Now, write a 45-second script for that idea," including a strong hook to grab attention in the first 3 seconds. You can even ask it to refine the tone, make it funnier or more professional. In minutes, you have a solid script ready to go. No more staring at a blank page. This single step removes the biggest barrier for most creators: coming up with what to say. Now for the magic. Step 2 is where the visuals come to life, and we're going to use CapCut's AI features for this. It's incredibly powerful and beginner-friendly. You can take the script you just generated from ChatGPT and literally paste it into CapCut. Its AI can then automatically generate a video for you. It will find relevant stock footage, create animated text, and even generate a voiceover from your script. You can then easily tweak the video, swap out a few clips, change the font, or add your favorite background music. The bulk of the heavy lifting is done for you. This transforms the tedious process of video editing, which used to take hours, into a task that takes just a few minutes of review and refinement. You're not just a scriptwriter anymore, you're a director with an AI assistant. The final piece of the puzzle is distribution. Step 3 is to take that finished video and post it consistently on YouTube Shorts. Why YouTube Shorts? Because it's one of the most powerful platforms right now for organic growth. The algorithm is designed to push new content to new audiences. By using this simple system to create content regularly, you're feeding the algorithm exactly what it wants: consistent, engaging videos. You're not just posting randomly, you're executing a strategy. This is how you build momentum. Your first video might get 100 views, your 10th might get 1,000, and before you know it, you're reaching tens of thousands of people. Let's recap why this simple workflow is so effective. You're using one tool for text, one tool for video, and one platform for distribution. ChatGPT, CapCut, YouTube Shorts. That's it. There's no coding involved. You don't need any prior experience in video production. It's a clean, repeatable system that you can execute day in and day out. This is precisely how beginners are not only building valuable new skills in the AI space, but are also starting to generate real income. They're building personal brands, creating content for clients, or monetizing their channels. They're turning a simple workflow into a legitimate side hustle, or even a full-time career. It all starts with having a system that actually works. So if you're ready to stop feeling overwhelmed and start creating with confidence, give this workflow a try. I promise it will change the way you see AI. If you found this guide helpful and want more practical, no-fluff AI workflows that deliver real results, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We post new strategies every single day to help you succeed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.